Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to convert your GGives balance into your GCash wallet without using GPO. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. Now, normally GGives lets you pay for the products in partner stores and apps, but you can't directly move that amount into your GCash balance. However, there is a simple workaround that lets you turn your GGives limit into spendable GCash funds without going through GPO. So in the first method, what you need to do is you need to simply go to your GCash partner merchant that allow the refunds directly back to your wallet. So when you open GGives in your GCash application, you need to choose any online merchant that supports GGives checkout and also offers you the refund to GCash for cancelled orders. For example, you can include some e-commerce platforms and stores that process the refunds through the GCash wallet instead of the store credits. Now you need to place a small purchase using GGives. Once the order is placed, you need to immediately request a cancellation. Most of the merchants automatically send the refund back to the GCash wallet and not the GGives. The process usually takes a few minutes to a few hours depending on the store's system. So once the refund is approved, the amount will land straight to your GCash balance. Another method that you can try is you can just simply use the local digital service platforms where GGives is allowed. So you need to buy the load or data or digital vouchers using the GGives. So then you need to convert those vouchers through reselling apps or wallet to wallet exchange platforms. So this is going to turn the value into the GCash balance without needing GPO. So if neither options work for your account, you can use GCash merchant QR sellers. So many sellers accept GGives as payment at checkout and refund the unused orders directly through GCash wallet because the system process cancellations through the buyer's wallet. Just make sure that the seller uses the official GCash merchant portal. Finally, you can check your account has no restrictions. For that, you just have to go to your profile, then open the limit and the verification option. Make sure that your GCash is fully verified so that the refunds can automatically enter your wallet. So these workarounds avoid GPO completely and still convert your GGives spending power into the actual usable GCash funds. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.